Okay. Hello listeners. Uh, let's start with jQuery. What is jQuery? jQuery already in jQuery is a freely available open source JavaScript. That means jQuery we can download. It is a freely available software. That means we can download in internet with free of cost. Free of cost. And the best words to say jQuery is less code more do. That means we can write a single line of code and do so much more of operations and tasks by using that single line of jQuery code. That means we can write single line code and perform multiple operations. This is called statement chaining. Statement chaining is nothing but perform multiple operations on a set of elements with one line of code. That means we can write a single line code and perform much more multiple number of operations on the content of HTML web page. Coming to first part, that is first in jQuery we have to learn selectors, filters, and manipulating content. That means we can retrieve the data from the HTML web pages, and we can also perform operations on retrieving data. That means manipulating data, and also perform dimension. That means we can increase the length of the image, or also length of the div tag and the font size, like that dimensions. And also we can do more operations like events. That means mouse events, mouse overs, click events, drag event, like that. And also we can perform animate. That means we can change the color, and we can change the font size, we can change the size of the windows, like that. And also jQuery has some more features, some more greatly features. That is, jQuery has available some plugins and jQuery UI. That means UI elements. That means we can download it from jQuery-ui.com. We can download in this so many user interface elements. That is, we can download that user interface, and we can use that user interface element. That means the user interface code will be pasted in our HTML page, and we can integrate our website much more user friendly and also much more looking good. And also the appearance of the HTML web page is very efficient way and also a professional way. Let's see how jQuery will be work. We can send a request to our browser. Browser will load page. Browser will load the page. That means www on google.com. That means the request will be sent to the browser, and then content of the Google will be placed. That means loading a web page, and it will leads to an jQuery. We can write or perform any events. That means when we perform an event, it leads to jQuery, and jQuery retrieve the data from. That means it can get the data from the retrieve data from web page. And also based upon our events, that means animation events or dimension events or effective events, like that, it will be animated that retrieve data, and it will be passed into our browser again, and then that passed data will be displayed at the browser. That means view our page again with some animated operations. What we writing on the jQuery code will be displayed in the web page. That means again that load page. Like this way jQuery will be worked. The best and most important feature is jQuery is supported by all modern web browsers. That means all versions of our modern web browsers. That means Internet Explorer 9 or earlier versions, and Mozilla Firefox and Safari, and also Opera Mini. That means Opera browsers. That means all modern web browsers will support jQuery. Web browsers will support jQuery, and then we can, let's see how to attach. That means how to use or how to attach jQuery into our HTML web. Here in my Visual Studio 2010, Visual Studio 2012 version, I have created a empty project. In that empty project I added a new item, that means a HTML page. The name of the page is basic HTML. That means basic jQuery HTML page. In this one, when we opening this one, there is a sample and a simple code will be displayed. Before doing this one, we must add our jQuery files, that means JR files. Let's add existing item and select. Here we can select script files. That means it is jQuery migrate version 1.2.1 file JS will be added into our project. That means jQuery migrate version will be added here, and then we can add that file into our HTML content. That means we can add the jQuery file into our HTML page. Like here we can add our jQuery latest version, jQuery 2.1.1.js file has been added, and here we can access. Let's give a title to our web page. That means jQuery fundamentals, and here we can access our jQuery file. That means here by using this script drivers. Script, wait a minute, we can type script, and then that is script of type is equal to test.javascript source src is equal to source src is equal to, when we putting an equal symbol, it will show all available files in our project. That means jQuery 2.1.js. It is when we can using Visual Studio, these are the benefits for writing code. This is code, and then here we can add our script. How to, here I can show how to use our jQuery script. That means jQuery, that means querying a JavaScript onto the HTML web page. Let's write it again. Script of type is equal to JavaScript, and then here you can code our script. In between the script tags, you can shoot dollar symbol. That means jQuery dollar will show the, here we can see it shows selector dollar selector content define a local copy of jQuery. That means jQuery is a symbol for the methods of jQuery classes, jQuery library. Here we can write jQuery. And we can, here we can load our document That means here we can execute our jQuery command when the page will be loaded. That means when the time of page will be loaded, our jQuery querying methods will be executed. jQuery dot ready function. Ready function. In that ready we can write our function. Here it is function. In that function I write an alert command. Alert a message. This is jQuery has been loaded. Let's save it and we can run it. Wait a minute, here it will show some errors. Let's fix that errors. Here I forgot semicolons. Okay, again it will also show again some errors. Function open. Let's watch it is. jQuery.exe does not contain a static main method suitable for an entry point. Okay, the jQuery scripting has been over. Then right click on here browse.html, choose option view in browser. It will take Google Chrome as a default web browser. Here it is, our alert symbol has been displayed. That is jQuery has been loaded, alert symbol, JavaScript alert, jQuery has been loaded. That's okay. And then let's check it in other modern web browsers. Let's open browse with, and then we have to check it in using Firefox. Okay, press browse. Here it is, jQuery has been loaded, alert message has been enabled, jQuery has been loaded. This is in Firefox browser, and also we can check it in Internet Explorer. Browse with Internet Explorer, browse. It is yellow blocked content. It means I enable higher security alerts. Yellow bar. Yes, jQuery has been loaded. By again it will show press F5. Yes, jQuery has been loaded. Like this, we can attach our jQuery file into our HTML by using scriptY, and then we writing our script code. That means jQuery is a JavaScript code. The script code will be right in between script tags. This is document on ready function. That means when document is loaded, the jQuery function will be executed. That means when the time of web page is displayed in the web browser, that jQuery will be executed. That means we can write a alert message. That means alert message has been displayed when the document, that means web page is been loaded. This is how to attach jQuery file and how to write a sample program, sample alert program. That means basic jQuery program for HTML. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.